They're better in the whole world than Flores, Indonesia. Yeah, we need to take that guy to the snake cave.
Selain dia ular, apa aja dia punya binatang? Tanyain ke dia.
What pets do you have, like other than snakes?
Snakes, crocodiles, lizards, spiders, scorpions, dogs, fish, salamanders, monkeys.
Banyak lah.
No,
Monkey,
no,
monkey. Pas monkey mukanya ke lu, monkey.
Iya. I like you singing.
I like you singing, I like your performance.
Yes, I like you performance. Very nice, very good. Thank you. What's wrong? What's wrong?
What's wrong?
I don't know Mike. Lu jangan
Apaan?
suka ketawain gue ya. Gue lagi ngomong bahasa Inggris biar gue pinter. What's up? Apa dia bilang?
Mic-nya rusak.
Oh ininya rusak.
Mic-nya
What's wrong? Turun. Jatuh. Oh, it's okay. Kesel ininya jatuh.
Galau
Kecewa?
nggak? Galau nggak?
Mau
nangis.
nangis.
Yuk,
Oh,
mau
so
nangis.
sweet.
Jadi udah untuk informasi aja untuk sobat sahabat dahsyat, Iskandar Wijaya ini tinggalnya di Jerman, tapi dia ada darah Indonesia. Dan
Betul.
ini ketiga kalinya Iskandar Wijaya datang
Kasih
ke
tepuk
Indonesia.
tangan dong. Ya,
What do
kalau
you think about Indonesia? What do you think about Indonesia?
My home, it's my soul. I love it.
Oh, itu.
orang tua di mana? Di Jerman. Oh,
Betul.
di sana di Jerman. Kapan balik lagi ke Jerman?
Kapan balik lagi? Bulan Januari.
Bulan
Bulan Januari.
Ajak ya.
Ya.
Saya mau ikut boleh?
Taruh aja di baling-balingnya ntar di pesawat.
Tanya, udah kemana aja di Indonesia?
Kemana aja ke Indonesia?
Where are you going in Indonesia? Like where do you think?
I'm going to Bali today. Ke Bali.
Hari ini ke Bali?
Hari ini ke
Hari ini ke Bali.
Oh, hari ini ke Bali. Kapan-kapan main ke Ujung Berung ke rumah saya. Ya, di
Mana?
Bandung.
Ya mau.
Ke Ujung Berung.
Ujung Berung, ya.
Di rumah
Ujung
saya.
kunyit aja lah.
My home is your home. Gitu ya. Biarin keles.
Genit banget sih lo.
Tanya, kalau di Indonesia penyanyi favoritnya siapa?
Who's your favorite Indonesian singer?
Sherina Munaf.
Sherina Munaf.
Sherina.
Why do you like Sherina?
I
Because
think
she's beautiful or?
ya juga tapi lagu rasanya very mellow.
Oh, dia suka lagu-lagu galau, lagu-lagu
Melo.
melo. Bisa nyanyi lagu Sherina?
Gak bisa. Aku biar violis.
Oh, dia spesialis biola.
Iya.
Iya, nggak apa-apa, say. Senyumnya aja enak ya. Sama banget kayak bapak gue loh.
Ya.
Oke,
Iskandar Wijaya, mau
Iskandar,
kirim
thank
salam?
you. Mau kirim salam buat papa mamanya
say
dari
hi
Jerman.
to your-
Karena
Lagi
ini
nonton.
ditonton banyak orang.
Ya.
Mau salam?
Yes.
Mama, papa?
Mama papa juga tapi orang Indonesia semua you are in my heart.
Yeay!
Oke. Sekarang kamu bilang, sahabat dahsyat. Ngomong.
Apa?
Sahabat dahsyat.
Sahab dahsyat.
Iya. Jangan kemana-mana,
Jangan kemana-mana.
tetap di dahsyat.
Tetap di dahsyat.
Biar cucok.
Biar cocok.
Ah.
Cus.
Iya. Tangan dong buat teman-teman kita. Pasti bingung. Kita kedatangan teman dari tamu-tamu dari luar negeri. Lihat sesuatu yang dibawanya serem-serem.
Iya.
Asik.
Jadi kita kedatangan tamu dari luar negeri, ini namanya Brady Bear.
Iya, betul.
Brady Bear, nah.
Ini dia, ini Brady Bear.
Hi. Hi, how are you?
Hi Brady.
How are you, man? Good. Sini.
Pasti banyak bertanya-tanya siapa Brady Bear. Kita lihat sebelum kita ngobrol-ngobrol tentang apa kegiatannya dan seperti apa kesehariannya.
No.
Kita lihat ini dia VT dari
Brady Bear.
Thank you. Thank you.
Drop gue langsung.
Check it out. Brady Bar, check it out.
Brady Bear.
Brady Bar, check it out.
Huge, powerful, lightning fast, a super predator. Close to 10 meters long, weighing well over 100 kilos.
Strong, very strong.
I'm tracking the longest snake in the world. the reticulated python of Asia.
Whoa, there's his head. No, grab his head. It's around my neck, get it off. It's off.
I'm gonna test a theory that could transform our understanding of these little-known giants.
I don't know if we can go on.
But on this expedition, I get out of my depth
Huge python, huge python.
no, where is he? Where is he? And end up paying a high price.
He's a monster. Oh, it's got the camera, it's got the camera. Woo, we got him, let's go out, let's go out. So this is bad.
Talk about returning to the scene of the crime.
It's pretty darn exciting.
You play nice. Yeah.
Wow, oke. Jadi Brady Bar adalah seorang herpetologis dan host internasional itu National Geographic.
Oh, thank you.
Iya dong.
Thank you.
Dangerous Encounter.
Wah, keren banget.
Kita kenalan dulu satu-satu namanya
Oke,
siapa-siapa
oke.
aja ya.
Hi
Oke.
Brady,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm well, man.
Brady.
How are you?
Good.
Hai.
Yeah, this
What's
guy.
up?
Come on, man.
Oh.
I don't know.
Oke, dan selain Brady Bar, di sini ada juga teman-teman dari komunitas Derik ya.
Iya.
Depok Reptil
Dan-
Amfibi Community.
Weh, boleh dikenalin namanya satu-satu nggak?
Ya, halo satu-satu. One by one.
Introduce
what's your name?
yourself.
Oke.
Ya.
Hi, my name is
What's your name?
My name is Brady Barr.
Weh,
Thank you. Thank
My name is Olga Saputra. I'm artist. I'm very famous in Indonesia.
All right,
Yeah, thank
nice.
you.
Here you want this
Oh yes,
snake?
yes. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay, okay.
Oke, berikutnya silakan kenalin teman-teman. Kenal sahabat dahsyat.
Depok Reptil Amfibi Community.
Oke, Sansan dari Derik. Berikutnya Sunu.
Okay, next. Hi Andre. Next. Okay, next.
Ya, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Ali dari
Ya.
Derik.
Ali
Oke.
dari.
Bren, sorry. Mau ngomong bahasa Inggris apa ya? Itu merek apa? Ular.
Merek tipe.
Tipe apa ularnya?
What the? Kayak
Tanya, jadi agak
Brand-
pinter bahasa Inggris.
Ini dari gue udah ada cewek gue
Oh,
baru
coba,
nih
coba.
ya, boleh.
Tanya. Dan pinjam mic Den. Bilang ularnya tipe
What are
apa?
your plans in Indonesia? What are your plans?
I need to know. Well, Indonesia is one of my favorite places on the planet. I love coming here because you got giant snakes, giant lizards, giant crocs. So I'm here to promote the National Geographic Channel and to reach out to all my fans,
Apa dia
especially
bilang?
this guy.
Apa dia bilang? Jelasin siapa cewek ini? Siapa namanya?
Shannon.
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 Kamu jelasin apa dia tadi ngomong?
Oh,
Katanya apa,
dia bilang ular di sini besar.
Ular di sini besar?
Iya, besar.
Ada juga yang kecil, saya pernah lihat kok. Enggak semua besar ular di sini. Oke, next.
Dia bilang dia suka di sini, fan di Indonesia, suka. Iya.
Pernah nggak dikelilit ular atau dipatok atau pernah kejadian apa tanya?
Whereabouts are the snakes?
Tenang sahabat dahsyat.
Whereabouts are the snakes? That you like the big snakes?
Oh, I mean, they're all over. I mean, that's the beautiful thing about Indonesia is you got snakes all over the place. You got the world's largest venomous snake in the king cobra. You've got the world's longest snake in the
Ngomongnya cepet banget
reticulated
kayak MC
python.
dangdut ya.
They're everywhere.
Yes, oke.
That's
Apa
why I
dia?
love it. It's such a nice country. You have lots of snakes.
You like snack?
Love snakes.
Oh, Lord.
Snakes are your friends.
Hey, iya.
What kind of snacks you have?
This is a reticulated python. The reticulated python. The longest snake in the world.
Oh, ini termasuk ular piton, salah satu ular terpanjang di dunia.
Ular terpanjang. Boleh saya pegang? Bilangin dia.
Here, he would like. You
Yes,
want to
yes,
hold
yes.
it?
Yeah.
Tapi lu
Can
bilangin
you-
dia, lu diam aja gua megang gitu. Apa sih? Gua temen ibu aja gak usah. Bilangin lu ngomong bahasa Inggris.
Can he hold it?
Sure. Come
Yeah.
on, get over here.
You diam, lu disuruh dia
Come
disuruh
on,
diem.
get in here.
Lu bilangin ke dia, suruh diem gitu. Gua aja maju.
Make it quiet.
It's quiet. It's
Okay.
friendly. Come
Yeah.
on in.
Yeah.
Tuh, lu
Come
kalau-
on in. Come on in here. Come on in. Come on in. Come on.
Dia ini jangan bercanda, dia bilang.
Enggak, ini.
Iya,
Udah,
Gak usah
udah,
takut,
sini.
gak usah takut.
Biasanya lu sama ular paling demen, lu pegang-pegang ini kenapa takut?
Masa nggak berani
Oke, Berry Bar.
benar?
How many times you come to Indonesia?
Oh, maybe 6, 8 times.
Hampir gak.
Not enough.
Dia
Udah
udah
Raffi, Raffi, kalau lo cowok buktiin, lo pegang ular. Taruh ular di leher. Taruh di leher.
Wih.
Yeah, see?
Iya, lagi. Lagi,
Now
pegang.
he's the man. No, this
Yeah.
guy. No, I
Yeah.
want this guy. Come on.
Baik,
Iya,
iya.
Come on, I'm coming after you, man. Come on. Yeah.
Jamaah.
Oke, katanya Brady Bear ini
Sana
pernah
buntu nggak
digigit
bisa
sama
lari.
ular Flores di Indonesia. Gimana ceritanya?
Oke.
Tanya ini.
Okay, can you tell about your experience in Flores?
Yeah, Flores is a very special place.
Nemenin.
Because there's a cave
Biar
there.
kekontrol.
Okay.
Flores is a very special place because there's a cave there called the Snake Palace with many of these spectacular snakes, giant snakes. So it may be the most special place in the world in terms of snakes. That's why I love going there. If you like snakes, nowhere better in the whole world than Flores, Indonesia. Yeah, we need to take that guy
Okay.
to the snake cave.
Selain dia ular, apa aja dia punya binatang? Tanyain ke dia.
What pets do you have, like other than snakes?
Snakes, crocodiles, lizards, spiders, scorpions, dogs, fish, salamanders, monkeys.
Banyak lah.
No,
Monkey,
no,
monkey. Mas Monkey mukanya ke lu, monkey.
Iya.